Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of traditional vacuums that just don't get the job done? Introducing the iRobot Roomba 105X robot vacuum, the game-changing cleaning solution you've been waiting for. This powerful robot devours dirt with 70 times more power-lifting suction, pulling embedded dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, leaving them feeling truly barefoot clean. With its 3-stage cleaning system, you'll experience intense suction, a multi-surface brush, and an edge-sweeping brush that work together to leave your floors looking and feeling amazing. The smart LiDAR mapping technology maps your home quickly and efficiently, delivering consistent coverage and avoiding furniture, cords, and everyday obstacles, even in low light. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a top-rated robot vacuum that truly delivers. Imagine coming home to a clean and tidy space without having to lift a finger. The Roomba 105X makes it possible. You can schedule cleans, target high-traffic areas, adjust suction, and add extra passes where messes build up, giving you complete control over your cleaning experience. The Roomba 105X is better than other robot vacuums on the market because of its powerful cleaning capabilities and advanced navigation system. It's able to get into tight spaces and clean with ease, leaving your home feeling fresh and clean. With its advanced technology and customizable cleaning options, it's the perfect solution for busy homeowners who want a reliable and efficient cleaning experience. In real-life use cases, the Roomba 105X has proven to be a valuable addition to many households, providing a convenient and effective way to keep floors clean, and with its ability to avoid obstacles and navigate through tight spaces, it's perfect for homes with pets or allergies. So why not give the iRobot Roomba 105X robot vacuum a try, and experience the power of smart cleaning for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.